Welcome everyone to undoubtedly the most high-tech marijuana factory in the world. You know, Nevada is the premier marijuana program in the US right now. There's no better place that we could have built this factory than right here.
This project is not about constructing a building, it's about building an industry. Many outsiders look at the cannabis industry as an opportunity for easy money. I don't think there is such a thing as easy money, but I can tell you there's nothing easy about this industry. And what you see in front of you is smart money. And the smart money is going to result in hard-earned profits. This is the leading edge of cannabis.
We're doing two things at the same time. We're building a company and we're building an industry. How cool is that?